I'm Mayor Zandile Gumede, the Mayor of eThekwini Municipality. We have concluded a fruitful and eventful year. Together, we have made great strides in our endeavor to restore the dignity of multitudes of our people who were neglected for years by the apartheid regime. We are very proud of the progress we have made in 2018 when it comes to our service delivery. I would like to thank our officials for their hard work and dedication to ensure that our visitors and citizens are safe during this festive season. Let us do the same as we usher into the new year. With the 2019 elections approaching, I urge you to ensure that you are registered to participate in these general elections. Please go out and register on the weekend on the 26th and the 27th of January 2019. We appeal to all our tourists to become Durban ambassadors and spread the word about the beautiful city of Durban. Durban is a South Africa's destination of choice. Let me wish you and our tourists a happy and a blessed new year. Enjoy responsibly and be safe. May your dreams as Durbanites come true. I thank you. Halala eThekwini halala.